In this video, we'll show you 6 easy life hacks you need to know. Lubricate your shredder. No need to buy those expensive lubricating sheets at your local office supply store. All you need is some 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil and a couple sheets of copy paper. Simply squirt some oil on the paper and feed it through the shredder. Quick and easy. Turn your drink into ice cubes. Don't want your drinks to be watered down with ice cubes? No problem, simply make ice cubes with your drink, whether it's coffee, juice, or soda. Say no more to watered down coffee with this simple trick. Remove stickers easy. Ready to wrap your gift but realize that price tag is still on? Not to worry. Simply run a hairdryer over the sticker tag to warm the adhesive and slowly peel up for a mess-free removal. Make a Q-tip dispenser. Instead of opening your new box of Q-tips from the back, try this next time. Use a utility knife or a pair of small scissors to cut along this edge. Cut a half-circle slot in the middle and smaller slots at the ends to allow for easy removal of Q-tip. There you go, your very own dispenser. Make scrap containers. Easily upcycle your old magazines and turn them into scrap containers for food, seeds, shells, and bones. Fold a bunch and store for easy access when needed. Easy tape hack. Having trouble finding the end of the tape? Not to worry, a toothpick will do the trick. Not only does the toothpick help you pick up where you left off, it doubles as an easy tape cutter. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.